Darayos members, ACS members. May I call first our member, Mr. Tato, to lead the prayer to officially
Pag-pray muna tayo.
pray muna tayo for short for the program and our
Let us all
prayer.
stand.
Yung
Sir Julius,
Hey,
Be in silence. Yalayan.
Masok na muna kayo, dadasal muna tayo.
Lord, maraming salamat po sa umagang kagandahan na binigyan niyo po ang bawat isa ng kalakasan, pagsugang nagmumula sa inyo. Sa pamamagitan po ng pagbabike, na iningatan niyo po yung aming dinaanan at kami po yung nagkaisa bilang isang magkakapatid na biker sa bansang Kuwait. Salamat po sa bawat isa na namumuno po sa lahat ng ito. Lord, si Sir Joe, at saka po yung nasa sa ISIS po, Lord. Pangalan po, Sir? Sir Bert, salamat po sa buhay nila na patuloy po kami ginagabayan at malayo sa lahat ng masamang pamumuhay dito sa Kuwait na maging sports po namin sa pagbabike namin, Lord. Lord, paggabay sa bawat isa, sa pamilya, sa trabaho na nagmumula sa inyo, Lord. At saka po sa mga workingan ni Lord, kayo po ang bahalang magbigay ng nararapat po sa mga taong deserve na tumanggap ng mga pagpapalang ito, Lord, na nagmula sa inyo. Lord, ang lahat po ito ay dinadalangin namin sa inyong pangalan ni Jesus at saka po sa amin po mga pagkain na nakahanda rito, Lord. Salamat po sa mga biyaya at pagpapalang na nagmula sa inyo. Ang lahat pong itidalangin namin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Ang lahat ay magsabi ng
Amen.
Amen!
Thank you. We have an opening statement first with, I will start. So, this is simple awarding. Siyempre, tayo ka. So, we start this one with, from the Kusinang Pinoy, like, gathering to push through this virtual race. So, this is only for, you know, I know you guys are easy, so we are all here, like, together. So, basically, we encourage everybody, so this is not all about awarding. This is all about, you know, biking. So, sino yung natutulog na tulog din nag-bike? So, encourage natin lahat. As a one group, atin lang is tuloy-tuloy yung pagbabike. Pag-usapan natin mamaya siguro yung coming after nung simple awarding, then food, then anong plan natin sa next. Yan ang atong topic natin. Yan po. So yun, salamat din sa sponsor din natin, na si Sir Carlo. Depende on donate. Ibigay ko lang sa magsalita. Opening statement, please.
Una sa lahat, thank you for participating sa verbal. Hindi ko na-foresee na ganito pala kasaya ang nagkaroon ng virtual. In fact, yung nag-usap kami, ang una tayo namin statements, bahala na, basta mag-start tayo, nauna na. Kasi it was postponed for a while. It was planned like May, then I went for vacation, then he was waiting for me, then later on, okay, he said, okay, now, tomorrow, after the 3 days, we'll start. So, it was good, even though only 7 of us started with this one, and I really appreciate, talagang appreciate ako sa sa president ninyo. Grabe ang ginawa niya. Inspires us most. Grabe inspiration na ginawa niya for this awarding. For me, alam ko, kahit nasa text namin sinasabi ko sa niya, I always tell him, we make it simple only at the beginning. Just, we will have awarding, but he's telling, no, it should be like this and like that. So kaya, he made it very good. He is the one who took the initiative to give you all these awards. Hopefully, next time, all of us also will come back in this place. Pasensya na, mag-English ako because we have 2 foreigners with us today.
Walang problema yan, sir.
So, thank you also, Khalid, you are mostly participating with us. And always, the motto is, the ride is for Celso!
For
Celso!
Okay. Okay, so next for the program, so we will, you know, the challenge is, you can see you are right. First Barry is right. First, he said that, okay, we will have only certificate, but when I see during the during the days, you can see the hardship, you can see the determination, you can see like the competition. Competition is there, and number one, like, see, in the beginning, even Presbyter get afraid with Khalid because he said, oh, this guy is working hard.
Even Egypt,
In
he's
Egypt.
working hard.
But
Yeah.
I tell him, the virtual will start like 15 days, but so he posts before that 15 days. So when the virtual start already, he's already tired. So anyhow, one
I
more.
apologize about one
Yeah.
other thing.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't go for hard cycling too hard because I had an injury on my leg, so I couldn't start cycling about maybe 10 days before when I come to quit after vacation. So yeah, I stayed at home and still working and no
Egypt
cycling.
will be afraid with you for the next virtual because you have no injury anymore.
But anyhow, the first things that we have here, we have Celso, we have Bruno. They are these two guys that keep us keeping alive under determination. They have Bruno and this one. Anyhow,
They're the ones keeping the
before we start, so I have here the simple certificate that we want to award. This is a Challenger Award. Nakita niyo po yung top 2, top 3, top 4 they are competing. So may I award, this is signed by the President of the Rayos, Mr. Julius. So this award given to your President Mayor Caballo for the Challenger Award. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your president and your team selected, you know, as you can see sino po yung talagang nakita niya kahit man yung determinado at saka nagcha-challenge sa lahat. Si Sir Bear po ang mag-award dito, sir. Bakit nga napili niyo nito, sir, na i-award, sir? Ito lang, may certificate, but he can receive, this is from Dunen. Sabihin mo, sir, bakit may bibigyan itong award, sir?
At the beginning, for the first 3 days, talagang ako mismo, myself lang, wala pa, hindi pa sila nag-joke. I saw this man na grabe naman itong tao na to, tapos tinitingnan, sorry ha, tinignan ko ang profile mo. Pareho kami ng edad, tapos mas grabe sa akin mag-ride. So it inspires me a lot to do the ride, okay? Then later on, there was a joke with us. Na-videoan kasi yun ni Kwan Nurone. Joke lang yun na, nothing special, nothing no personal. Sinabi ka na, para kay Celso!
Celso, please come over here.
For inspiring us to ride every night.
Thank you so much.
Because of Celso, we inspired to ride. Thank you for inspiring us.
Ibigyan ako ng request. Ang request. Serso, pwede ba sumakay ako sa'yo sa akin?
Celso, respect!
Angkas ako.
Congratulations!
Picture!
Celso, respect! Celso! Number 1!
Ito yung sabi nga nila sa English, don't give up. Actually, nadulas siya in the writing na number 2, number 3. Talagang last 3 days, nasa last ng ano doon, nag-iboy na siya dahil natakot na sa service. Sabi, talagang umangat. Sabi ko,
Binabantayan namin talaga yan.
di ba? Binabantayan. So, sabi ko, it's about, sabi ko, Celso, it's mind game. Sometimes ganon, pag ano, minsan kasi parang nanghina siya kasi mind games, nasa saywar kasi si Jimmy nagkakaroon eh. Sabi ko, okay lang yan. Eh, nagkakaroon ng siyempre holiday, so gano'n na lang nangyayari. Anyhow,
Sabi ko nga, sir.
that is what's the name of the award? Conqueror Award, ha?
Sir, sabi ko nga kay Ronnie, pag nagpagawa si Serso, iplatag mo na. Bakit na makapagpain?
Okay, okay. Next award, ako naman magsasabi dito, this is a Conqueror Award. Dahil ito din yung nakita namin sa grupo namin na kailangan bigyan dahil kasi challenge din kami. Nakita mo kahit mangiyak na siya, alam naman natin. Nakailang block na ito. Yung gusto siya mag-ride na yung mga picture ako na sabi ko kako, actually it's for Ronnie Sorella. Sir, anong gusto mo? Ito or ano? Kasi ito sponsor from Gaming by Donen. So kung
Bigas.
Ngayon, si Sir Rono na doon ng termination, sabi nga yung